This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lorraine Tice. Enjoy living the lifestyle of Town of Tioga, including all the amenities in this darling 3-bedroom/2-bath garden home. The brand new roof was installed at the beginning of February 2023, new vinyl plank flooring, new bedroom carpets within the last year and a half. The rooms are bright with loads of natural sunlight. The oversized master suite features a walk-in closet, double sink vanity, walk-in shower and jetted tub. The kitchen is spacious with a breakfast nook and an arched access to the dining room/living room combination. Sit on your front covered porch and greet your neighbors or meet them at the Neighborhood Pool and Clubhouse, play tennis, volleyball or walk the shaded Esplanade. Hop on your golf cart or take a short walk to the town center to shop, grab a bite to eat or enjoy the occasional activities on the green. For more information, review the details below.